All right, does finding drugs on an arrestee give you probable cause to search a vehicle for more drugs? My name is Anthony Bandiero. I'm an attorney and senior legal instructor for Blue Gold Law Enforcement Training, bringing you another roadside chat. All right, this is probably one of the most common questions that we get here at Old Blue to Gold, right? Is this whole, I find drugs on an occupant of a vehicle, can I now search the car? And the answer is maybe. Okay, you need to have probable cause for the vehicle. And you probably have it, but you're going to have to do a little bit more articulation than simply saying that I found drugs on a person. And this is just a huge debate, right? I mean, what if I'm driving, what if you see me, you're like surveilling me, and I rent a rental car, and I leave the gates of the rental car facility. I make a traffic violation. You stop me. You arrest me. You search me into arrest for this warrant, and boom, I have drugs in my pocket. Do you really think a judge is going to find this probable cause of the rental car with those facts? Hey, look, can you search my bag? Yes. Can you search my luggage? Yes. But that car, do you really think there's probable cause for the car? I don't think so. But it's not my job to articulate it, it's yours. You need to articulate this connection between the person, the drugs, and the car. It's not hard, but you should do more than just, hey, drugs equals search. That's not going to really be that well received at the court. I'll also tell you that if you search my YouTube channel, man, I got plenty of videos on this topic that I really go in depth. I talk about these issues. I talk about how the canine plays a role and what happens if you actually have PC for the car first, search the car, and then you don't find anything. It goes on and on. But I don't want to belabor it here. But the point is, articulate that connection. Articulate why you reasonably believe there could be more drugs in the car. Things like target glancing. Things like the long history of narcotics. Things like when you ask, hey, is there any more drugs in the car? And he says things like, there shouldn't be. Things by the passenger says, yeah, he was trying to hide something before you guys stopped us. You get the point. Something more than just the facts of this case. All right? Not hard, but please try a little articulation. I call this strive for 5. Try to give me 5 reasons, not me, the courts, about why you think there's more drugs in that car. If you can do that, you're going to have a good day in court, in my opinion. All right? All right. If you like what we're doing here, like, subscribe, share with your friends. If you can, you don't have to. It's nice, though. It shows a little love to Blue to Gold and so forth. But regardless, we do have webinars every single week. And you go to bluetogold.com to sign up for those, and you'll love them. They're free. They're fun. A lot of cops join us there. You can also sign up. And if you can't attend live, no problem. We'll send you a link, and you can watch the video at your leisure. And with that, my friends, you stay safe and make good case law.